Okay, so the Earthquakes played Real Salt Lake at home, and unfortunately, the Earthquakes lost by a final score of 4-3. A lot of goals in this game, but it came down to it, and the Earthquakes lost. So they went from 10th place to 11th now, but they are tied with FC Dallas for that 10th/11th spot. So yeah, let's get into this. Javier Eduardo Lopez, despite the Quakes losing, got a hat trick, so 3 goals for him. So I mean that was pretty exceptional. He had the first goal of the game, 26th minute. And the second goal actually came from Rubio Rubin in stoppage time right near halftime for Real Salt Lake. But Salt Lake would also take a 2-1 lead when Albert Rusnak got a 49th minute goal. Then 1 minute later, Javier Eduardo Lopez got his second goal of the game, 50th minute. And then the third goal, the next goal would come from the 65th minute again from Javier Eduardo Lopez. However, a comeback would come for Real Salt Lake. Got a goal at 71st minute by Justin Ram. Then in the 81st minute, they sealed it with a Rubio Rubin goal again. So he had 2 goals, but Eduardo Lopez had 3. That was a great game for him. It's just unfortunate they didn't win. You look at the stats. Shots was pretty equal. They had 5 more for Salt Lake. 18-13. Shots on target, they had the edge, 13-6. But I mean, clearly, it didn't really matter because half the shots on target for the Quakes, went in. So Javier Eduardo Lopez can be credited with that. They had more possession, more passes for the Quakes. Accuracy about the same. A lot of fouls in this game, 35 total. Some yellow cards handed out. But yeah, I mean, pretty much an equal matchup. It's just Salt Lake did get the edge, but good to see JEL getting the hat trick. That's a good thing to see from him. They're going to play Austin next game on Saturday. Austin right now is at the bottom of the standings. They're in their first year, so it's definitely a good opportunity for the Quakes to win. But yeah, 4-3 final. Real Salt Lake gets the victory. This first time these teams have met. But yeah, that's going to do it from San Jose. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, go Quakes.